Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink and the instant approved backlink. So the website name is onesmablog.com. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that site. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 68 and according to Moj the domain authority is 75 and the spam score is 14%. And according to similar web, this website having a 14.8k monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, USA, Philippines and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffics, and you can see free website builder the best way. So you can also create your web 2.0 backlink on this site. So now we can start. So first thing, this is a website URL and I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you can access easily. So simply you can click on the sign up button and there you can add your all details. So username is Jobma, then I can choose a password and your email address, and after that you can verify your captcha and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after that you can click on the register button. So you can see our account is successfully created. So simply you can click on the login here to click here to login, and there you can add your details and you can verify the captcha. You can drag and you can match the image, and after that you can click on the sign in button. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So you can see we have successfully created our account. So first thing, you can click on the my profile button and you can update your profile details. So there you can add your company description. If you have created company ID, company profile, so you can add company description. If you have created a person profile, so you can add your personal details, your person details. Okay, after that you can click on the save button. So we have completed all the things. So after that you can click on the new post button, and I have already created a content for the article submission. So you can see this is the article, this is a fresh article. So let me put it over there, and I can add a company name, Jobma. Then after that I can add, so you can insert image, feature image. So after that you can add a image URL, and so the thing is to we can add image. Let me copy this image. There is no any option to I can copy images. Yeah, so from here I can copy. Let me insert width and the height should be, yeah. So you can see we have successfully added our image. So after that, from there you can start updating a content. So this is the content what I have generated. So let me copy the content, and you can paste it as a normal text. So okay, how I can optimize, because this content paste as but there is a problem. The thing is too, I can paste all the content manually, so this might take a couple of seconds. So So you can see we have successfully added our content, and I have optimized the heading and the content and the hyperlinking. So if you wanting to insert any hyperlink, any your targeted keyword, so you can select your keyword. So suppose that if I wanting to include hyperlink on this keyword, so first you can select your keyword, then after that you can see there is a hyperlink option, and there you can paste your website URL. Then you can click on the OK button, so then you can see your hyperlink should be inserted. Okay, and if you wanting to make it bold, so you can select your keyword, and you can click a control plus B. You can see there is also the bold option. So once you guys will complete your all the things, so after that you can click on the publish button, and you will see your article is successfully published. And if you wanting to see landing page URL, so you can click on the visit button, and you will see this is your article landing page URL. This is your article title and the image. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on this site. So this is a process for the article submission. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.